Mila, Morphle, you have to bring this egg to Uncle Mortimer before it hatches. It has his new magic pet inside it.
Quick, Morphle! Morph into a car!
Good luck!
A traffic jam! Morphle, dodge the cars! Now dodge that traffic light! Oh no! The egg is starting to hatch! We have to be faster! Morphle, morph into a race car! Watch out, Morphle! Ducklings! Oh no! The wheels are stuck in the sand! Morphle, morph into an ostrich so you can run through the sand! Okay, we're here, Morphle! Stop! No! What does it do?
This magic pet is super